Did you know that no matter what you're doing, your brain is making waves?
Yeah, brain waves are a crucial part to how our bodies work, and they're even more important when it comes to sleep.
In this video, we're going to tell you about brain waves and what they have to do with sleep in each stage.
But first off, we want to make sure that you know that this video is meant to be informative and not take the place of professional medical advice. If you think you have a sleep disorder, please see a doctor. But with that said, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get started.
Bodies are complicated machines that use different systems to all work together to keep us functioning. Now, our nervous system sends signals to communicate with different parts of our bodies by producing electrical impulses. And these electrical impulses are called brain waves.
And these brain waves are what happens when our neurons communicate our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. But for this video, we're going to talk about how they determine our states of consciousness.
AKA, in plain English, how do your brain waves affect your sleep? But before we get into that, we're going to talk about the different types of brain waves for context, and they kind of sound like the Greek life on your college campus.
Party! There are slow brain waves like delta and theta that are linked to sleep, drowsiness, and relaxation.
And there are faster ones like beta and gamma that are linked to alertness. But you go through cycles of both fast and slow brain waves, not only when you're awake, but also when you're asleep.
This cycle is called the Basic Rest Activity Cycle, or BRAC. It lasts anywhere from 90 to 120 minutes, with 100 minutes of fast waves and 30 minutes of slow waves.
Now let's talk about sleep.
There are 4 stages of sleep, and here's how brain waves play a role.
Stage 1, NREM sleep. This is the stage where you slowly drift off to Betty-Bye dreamland. Your brain goes from a faster beta wave to slower theta waves. Now, you're not quite asleep, but you'll get there as soon as the waves slow down to a delta wave. This will last you about 5 minutes.
Stage 2, light sleep. Your brain waves have finally reached delta, which means you're in a little bit of a deeper sleep. This long delta wave is known as K complexes and helps to consolidate memories. Remember the BRAC? This stage takes up to about 25 minutes of it and gets longer every new cycle.
Stage 3, slow wave sleep. This is when you enter that nice, deep, you couldn't wake me up if you tried sleep. So your brain waves are these long, low-frequency delta waves, and your body gets to work repairing itself.
Stage 4, REM sleep. Now you may assume that while you're sleeping, your brain waves are in a slow resting state. But that all changes when we get to REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement because your eyes move rapidly when you're in REM, and your brain waves speed up to beta, which is what they are when you're awake. And of course, this makes sense because your mind is active, dreaming away.
And that's pretty much the relationship between brainwaves and sleep. You know, I feel smarter now.
The more you know.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it interesting.
And be sure to hit us up on Instagram and TikTok for way more nerdy fun. Thanks for watching.
Bye.